Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question relating to the eye taken from the November 2016 DBE exam. So let's jump in. Right, so we've got this diagram which illustrates how refracted light in the human eye leads to a visual defect. So what we can see is we've got the light coming in here, and we can see it actually is going to the yellow spot in the eye, and the yellow spot is the region with the highest visual acuity, so where you'll see the where you'll have the sharpest vision. Right, so 3.2.1, identify part, question A is, so identify part B. Part B is actually pointing to the lens. So B is the lens. And we need to identify part C. C is pointing to this region over here, and that region there is known as the choroid. So that's C-H-O-R-O-I-D, the choroid. Right, and let's just quickly name region A as well, even though they haven't asked for it. But A, pointing to this part here, that would be known as your blind spot. And the blind spot is the region where it is not sensitive to light. Right, so question 3.2.2, name the visual defect as illustrated in the diagram. So we can see we've got, here's our rays of light going through here, but the visual defect, what we can see is we've got shortening of the cornea over here, so for flattening of the cornea, and also of the lens. So when the curvature of these structures is relatively flat, it results in a visual defect known as long-sightedness, which is otherwise known as hypermetropia. So hypermetropia. Right, and that's it, guys. Those will give you your marks. But before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. Or for more epic videos, be sure to check out our website. Just a shout out to our sponsor. You can find all their details and ours down in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.